Hi everybody. So in this video, we are going to be focused on taking math sentences and translating them to word sentences. So I want to start by going over some of the words that you should know. The first word that you should know is the words that correspond to this symbol, which is the greater than symbol. The next vocabulary that you should know is the words that correspond to this symbol over here, which is the less than symbol. The symbols down below there are the symbols for greater than or equal to. And the symbols for less than or equal to. All right, so if that's the vocabulary that you need to know, then the next step is going to be to look at some symbols and see if we can translate them using those vocabulary words. So give me 1 second just to clean this up a little bit so it's a little bit neater. Okay. For this first sentence, we're always going to start with X. So when you're writing your sentences, just know that you are always going to start with X. It doesn't matter. X is always the first thing that you're going to write down. Okay. Then the last thing you're going to write down is the number 5. Next, we're going to put in the words for the symbol that we see. Now, I see the symbol for less than. So I would say X is less than. And then I'm going to put the number at the end, the number 5. In the next sentence, I see X is first. And then I see the symbol for is greater than or equal to. So I would say is greater than or equal to, and then it's going to be the number 5 at the end. The only really tricky problem here is the last one. And the reason that the last one's a little bit tricky is that the order of the math sentence does not correspond to what we normally like. We like the X to be first. So before we start translating here, what I would recommend is that you actually flip this math sentence around. So X would be first, 5 would be second, and then you have to flip the symbol as well, which means instead of the symbol being a greater than or equal to, which is what it originally looked like, it actually means less than or equal to. So I would say X, and then instead of greater than or equal to, I'm going to use the words is less than or equal to the number 5. All right, that's it, and we'll see you soon for some practice problems.